station is to show you the MF3 VI, so the narrowest tractor of the range, the specialty range, and the MF3 SP, which is a bit wider. So we keep, as I said in the presentation, we keep our wide dimension offering. So starting with this MF3 VI down to 1 meter width, thanks to its 1 meter cab width, able to go in very narrow vineyards. On the other side, we have this MF3 SP, able to go in the vineyards just around you, thanks to its 1.20 meter cab width, so down 1.25 meters. As I said, on the 75 horsepower, we keep the same well-proven components for our customers looking for the most affordable machine. So this MF3 SP will keep 0.75 will keep exactly the same features except the design and the Stage 5 engine. So it's quite interesting for you to see what we have and what we got on the 3700 series and what's new in the cab. So I will not spend too much time on this one, just to give you an overview of this tractor. 75 horsepower, we keep the 3.4 liters engine, so powerful engine, because by Massey Ferguson we provide always engine working at low engine RPM for quiet environment, high efficiency. So we keep this feature. We keep also our transmission with 3 range and 4 gears on this one, with up to 4 different transmissions, starting with 12-12, 24-12, 24-24, and another 24-12. I will not give too much detail on this one because, as I said, this is like the old series. So you can see that we have the tunnels here, like the old series, if you see that. And now on all the model, the cab model above 85 horsepower, we get a completely new cab environment, improving the space and the comfort for the operator. But if we come back to the engine, on the model, so starting from 85 horsepower, we got a higher capacity engine, 3.6 liter, also providing high torque and power at low engine RPM, so working at low engine RPM. And you have many improvements regarding the components integration. First, the fuel tank. The fuel tank was under the bonnet, and when the tractor was fitted with front PTO, we are not able to get the 75 liter. The capacity was lower. I can show you how it is. Oh, just excuse me, I take the key. So this is it was a fuel tank. We keep it on 75 models, 75 horsepower models, for customers looking for affordable machine. With front PTO, we had to go down 43 liters, so reduce the capacity. Now, on the new models, thanks to the fuel tank below the cab, we get 75 liters on these models and up to 100 liters on the bigger models. So this one from 85 horsepower, you will see that on this other station, it will go up to 100 liters capacity. Regarding the other components, we have removed the air conditioning. It was in the roof. We have removed it under the bonnet. So it makes more place for the operator's head. The roof is deeper. Also, another improvement, we have removed the battery. You can see that in this new cab, this old cab. The batteries was there, the toolbox was there. We have removed it. So now we get more space for the operator. The seat can go really backward, improving the space and the comfort. So the battery is under the bonnet, but if the customers need to connect the battery, it doesn't need to open the bonnet, it can just connect to the battery by this standard feature. Also something new, we now have this new tool frame support for lateral implement. So for example, for tillage implement, just over there. So we are able to put a tool frame and then, for example, tillage tools working along the vineyard rows, for example. We are not able to do that before because the after treatment system was located there. You can go back to this one. So now the after treatment components are located under the bonnet, because before they were there and we are not able to get the same place that we have now. So after treatment under the bonnet on new models, well integrated, we keep after treatment just over there, well integrated on the same level the other components. So it allows to keep a low bonnet height for the best visibility. I will not spend too much time on the engine because you will get other station for that. But concerning visibility, we have removed the whiskers motor up to the roof. So nothing blocking the visibility here. And concerning the cab, excuse me, this cab is in essential package. So you can still get essential or efficient. So essential package means mechanical controls easily accessible everywhere. You can see that the spool valves and the linkage, the engine RPM are close together, easily accessible. So this is the essential package, affordable package, simple for customers who don't need high comfort and affordable machine, tractors. So both in essential and efficient package we have many improvements. As I said, the battery, the toolbox has been removed, so now you get more space because the seat can go backward. You get the flat floor, we call it semi-flat floor, but it's only 2.5 centimeters, so the legs can move everywhere, high comfort level. Also the gear lever has been repositioned to the right, so to make more space, with a small angle on the left to catch it. And the range lever is closer to the seat, so you can easily enter into the cab. So, concerning the roof, as I said, strong improvement is a category 4. It was a big expectation from our customers with spraying application for health protection. It's not fitted here, you will see that on the other one, but it's easily activated thanks to a switch into the roof. So, now we can finish on the rear of the tractor. From the rear of the tractor, we now get as standard 3,100 kilograms, 3.1 ton max capacity on the hook of this rear linkage, so higher capacity. Also concerning the spool valves, we have relocated them more on the left with a small angle down, so it's easier coupling. When you have a mounting implement on the 3-point linkage, it's easier coupling on one side. And as I said, we have removed the toolbox, now easily accessible. So if you want to get, for example, some linkage bolts, you can access it very easily. So this is the main